Our cameraman's back in his spot. Ronaldo on the sideline. Looking to send it deep. And Steffi grabs the disc. That is a great point from Rascals. Brilliant grab from Steffi. A good point. The score is 1-all. Lot of support from the fellow Mumbai clubs. Couple of intruders on the field. Waiting for them to clear out. Rascals lining up. They'll be pulling this point. Vikram with the disc. Rascals line. Vikram sends it to Sahitra. Flying Spirits ready. Sahitra pulls the disc. Both sides running up. Vikram on the handler mark. Sunil with the disc. Swings it across to Messi. Messi sends it back to Sunil. Nice movement between the two. Tuhin gets the disc. Sends it back to Messi. Very quick movement. Very efficient. Vaishnavi has the disc. Getting close to the end zone. And sends it to Uttara, who sends it to. And Flying Spirit score. That was a nice quick point. And the score is 2-1. Should be a tight match. Both teams extremely talented. One from Pune, one from Mumbai. I personally love the Rascals jersey. Hope one of them can lend me one. Rascal sideline cheering on for the team. Loving the energy. Spirits with a nice pull. Ronaldo picks up the disc. Looking to send it to Stefan, but sends it deep. Karan, will he get the disc? Of course he will. Karan with a very good set of hands. Looking to send it inside. Sahitra has the disc. Ronaldo sends it into the end zone and Karan grabs the disc. Very nice point from Rascals. Even out the scores. It's 2-2. Karan, of course, is a Supremely talented, deep cutter. And they seem to have a great chemistry with the handlers. Rascals in a huddle. They seem to be deciding the line. Spirits already ready on line. It's a hectic day of ultimate for all the clubs. Vikram pulling the disc, sends it across. That's a nice, fine pull. Spirits running it up. Khushi will be taking the disc. Hey, yo, sorry. A little bit of mischief from one of the Rascals players. We'll interview him soon. And Tuhin gets the disc, sends it to number 99. Number 99 looking to swing it, sends it to Messi. Messi sends it across to number 58, Sunil. Sunil with a nice forehand, hucks it into the end zone, but not quite able to connect. It's a turnover. Vertical stack for Rascals. Vikram walking it up to get the disc from the end zone. Instructions from the Rascals sideline. And being put under a bit of pressure from one of the Rascals players. It's a bit awkward for me, but I'll try my best. Oh, unfortunately that didn't quite work out. The turnover for Spirits. Looks like Sunil will be walking up to get the disc. Sunil and Khushi handling. Messi, of course, sending that first cut. The fine player. Sends it to number 58, who manages to grab it inside the end zone. And the score is 3-2 for Flying Spirits. So we have Kavya here, who played a very long match against Nightcrawlers. Kavya from Storm Chasers, who's played very well this match. And let's have a little chat with her. So Kavya.
1 second, you've already done this. This is getting boring. Everyone who's watching this tournament.
25 people, okay.
25 people about what? Okay. So, we're currently at 3-2 to Flying Spirits. Do we have any breaks yet? Or is everyone just holding their row? Okay. Looks like it's going to be a tight match. And let's hope that they keep holding row. Rafa, how dare you?
And we have Rafa here from Rascals. Let's have a little chat with him. So Rafa, how's the game going?
Good.
Are you enjoying it? Your dad's playing on the line.
Yeah, make him play.
Yeah. What do you think of your chances? Of course, Spirits is a fine team.
Oh, we're dead, bro. We're dead.
Oh, maybe not the most optimistic, but I'm sure you'll hold your own. Rafa on cameraman duties. Let's get back to the game. Oh, And Rafa's dad has picked up the disc. On the Ronaldo on the sideline. Oh, sends it to Karan. Safe pair of hands. Karan with a nice sharp forehand to Sahitra. Little bit of contact. Sahitra on the sideline looking to center it. Sends it to Karan. Steffi gets the disc. Steffi looking for a reset. Sends it back to Ronaldo. Oh, Ronaldo sends it ahead to number 13. Close to the end zone. Can they convert this? Solid defense from Spirits though. Oh, that was a very close one, and Benson has managed to get the disc. Not quite there yet. Looking to reset, and Sahitra grabs the disc. Safe pair of hands. Sends it into the end zone, and that's a great score. Good grab by Kate. Yeah. Score is 3-3. Oh. Yeah. Looks like we have a good boy on the field.
What is this dude?
Get back to the game. Rascals lining up. Spirits waiting on their line for them. The score is 3-3. Very even so far. Let's see how it goes ahead. And that's a Blady pull from the Rascals. Couple of chuckles here and there. The risk is still in though. Looks like a horizontal stack. No. Sideline stack for the Spirits. Sunil picks up the disc. Stefan on handler mark. Sends a dump to Messi. Messi on the sideline.
This is not soccer, okay?
Sends it back to Sunil. Great coordination between the two. Hucks it across to the end zone, and Tuhin grabs the disc. Easy point for Spirits, and the score is 4-3.
He's lying, bro. He's lying.
Great handler work from Spirits to make that fourth point easy and quick.
Is this even game? How do I? Right now, they're forming right now. Calling the names of the players. Let's go. I'm the commentator. What the heck? Show 47. I'm going to start right now. I don't even know what I'm talking about.
Prachi has commented.
Huh?
Prachi has commented.
What is it?
Let's go, Prachi.
Oh, Rafa.
Let's go, Prachi. Thank you.
Let's go, Prachi. Thanks for the comment. Love you. Now we're waiting.
As we wait on the
Okay.
sideline, you can see Disc Positive warming up for their match. Should be an interesting one. Spirits pull.
Okay. Way out the desk. Pass it to Karan. Satra has it. Pass it to Vikram. Ooh. You do it.
Oh, it's a deep hug. Will Steffi get it? Oh, not quite. Not quite. Just misses it. And it's a turnover.
No, I mean, I didn't know what to say. It's fine. Now.
Khushi with the disc. Ronaldo marking her very tightly. Tuhin gets it. Let's see what he'll do. Gives it to KP. Sends it ahead to number 24, who sends it back to KP. KP sends it back to number 24. Nice little 1-2. Little bit of frustration on the sideline, it seems. Rascals with the zone. Khushi sends it across to Dubey. Dubey looking for an open mark, open handler. KP sends it to Khushi, who just grabs it, but I think she's dropped it. Let's see. Yes, she has dropped it. It's a turnover. Rascals right at the end zone. Ronaldo sends it to Vikram. Saurabh. And it's 4-4. Lots of support in the comments from Prachi and Anirudh from Rascals.
Now,
31 people watching.
there's only Prachi. I see Aniruddha and Ashish. Some other people. They're good comments. Appreciate it, guys. Now, should we sing? Now I'm gonna take over because this is his fire now. Now Manan is about to throw, and he just throw. Really good pull, yeah. Oh, someone. Oh. They're gonna get the desk. Sui. Isn't that outside? Oh yeah, it's going. What are you gonna say? Oh. Keep talking. What? Oh. Nicely. Oh, wasn't the? I think it tripped. Oh, and a nice pull. And yeah, I don't know what to say.
Let me do my job. 5-4 for Spirits.
That's crap. They're lying, bro.
It's a close game between the two clubs. Both playing very well. Quick points, not a lot of turnovers. Score is already 5-4.
What does that mean exactly? Okay. Okay. You don't even use your.
You can see some Storm players on the sideline talking to the Rascals. Of course, both of these clubs have played together in Mumbai, very close to each other. And waiting for Spirits to pull.
Right here, baby. Oh shit.
KP has the disc, just waiting for Rascals to get ready on the line.
I'm gonna hack this thing, boy.
Ronaldo with the disc, safe pair of hands, sends it deep. Will Vikram get it? Vikram with a great grab in the end zone. And the score is even again, 5-5. 5 points for Rascals. Of course, some words of motivation from Rafa for his team, of course.
Yeah.
I think I'll take the mic from Rafa now. Some intruders on the field again, I think from the organizing committee itself. Saurabh getting ready to pull. Spirit signaling they're ready. Saurabh pulls the disc. It's a fine pull. Will it land inside though? Not quite sure if it's landed inside. Let's see. Oh, there seems to be another disc on the field. It's cleared away. The disc landed outside the field, so now it's being centered. Oh, Messi making the first cut, and of course he's successful. Sends it to Sunil. Oh, and that's a bit of a collision between Sunil and Stefan. I think that was a pretty hefty crash between the two. I hope he's okay. The medics going over to check Sunil. Game is back on. Looks like Sunil is fine. And they're getting ready to go again.
The game is on, the missed. The other team gets the disc now. Oh, and who's get? Saurav is getting the disc now. Things are about to get a bit serious right now. Oh, and Saurav gets throws the disc to Sagar, and he throws the disc to Stefan. Oh, stole out. Oh wait, yeah.
Saurabh and Tuhin discussing on the sideline, near the sideline, sorry. And the disc goes back to Saurabh. The call is contested. Saurabh again with the disc. And yet another. It seems like a pick call. Been stuck here for a while. Okay. Saurabh calling for cuts. Oh, that was a tough one. And looks like Stefan has successfully grabbed that. Oh, but the disc goes back again. Not quite sure why. Here we go again. Oh, Saurabh sends an OI. But seems like there was contact between Sagar and someone from Spirits. I think that was number 99. They're discussing the call. Sagar and number 99.
Who's looking at me like? Hey, come on, guy. Look. I think he's pulling it.
And the disc goes back yet again. Hopefully they'll be able to move it ahead this time without any calls. Try and keep it clean. Saurabh with the disc. Sends it to Stefan, but he drops it. It's a turnover. Who's going to pick it up? Sahil picks it up for Spirits. Sends it across to number 99. who scores the point. And the score is, I believe the score is 6-5. Yeah, 6-5. And that's half time. We'll be back. Ronaldo walks up to the disc. Ronaldo walks up to the disc. Karan hucks it deep.
Oh, and penalty gets it. Score! We are working together now, which is good. Yes, sir. Gas grenade inappropriate.
About a 3/4 field pull. Sunil picks up. Immediate pass to Kuchi, who is looking downfield with no cuts. Then 2 cuts in the same place. Great grab
Nice
by Tuheen.
catch.
Looking for the upline. Nice grab from
Yeah, to
Tuheen.
this.
What a cut.
And
And
they're
another
almost.
upline from Sunil. Straight down the middle. and to Vaishnavi in the end zone. Kind of a run-of-the-mill
What for now?
FS offense, looking for very safe hands, continuing the flow constantly, and uplines that push the disc up. I wonder who. Do you have any comments for me? Would you like to review my commentating?
So we have Kavya on the commentary. She's doing a great job, of course, just like on the field. And she probably won a couple of MVPs today as well. We'll see.
You have to either not hype. Shit.
Both the teams have called a timeout. My bad. It's a half time for both the teams.
A great job.
And yeah, a lot of appreciation from the Storm players. Thank you for that. It's a very close match. Not a lot of turnovers. Both the teams playing very smoothly. The score is very close. Both the teams getting ready to ready for the second half.
Rafa, give me the mic.
A little bit of mischief on the sidelines from one of the Rascals players. Appropriate name, Rascals. We have Stefan here from West Coast Rascals, who's been playing for the last couple of points. Stefan, how's the game going?
Good, so good, bro.
I think I would have probably fainted if I was in his position. I would have probably died if I got clattered by him. I mean, I would have.
It was a hefty contact, wasn't it? Thankfully, both of you all seem to have come out of it fine.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of wish I got the D over there, but just had the body in the way.
And we have DB here too from Rascals. How's it going for you?
Stop harassing my players.
Oh dear. Looks like they're not in the best best of moods today.
I think the game's going splendidly. I think we're putting up a great fight, and I think I'm really interested to see how the second half goes. If we can continue to hold them at par, and let's see how it goes. Done, Sunset.
Thank you, DB. Looking great with the mask on. DB, of course, one of the veterans of Mumbai Ultimate. Indeed, all 17 people watching the broadcast. Thank you, Prachi. Your support is much appreciated, as always.
Wait, I hope you do.
Is the responsibility of every offense.
Interesting. The Rascals line walking off and getting.
No, I don't know. I'm gonna sing a song because I'm sad. Like, they chirped. It's not looking good for the Rascals. Looks like they're getting it up. They want. They're encouraging each other, I think. Teamwork.
We're just working to resolve our audio issues.
बीच में रखना है आप फुल कर रहे रहेंगे ना लाइट ने ब्लिंक हो रही है अगर लाइट ब्लिंक हुई तो ही बात हेलो
The score is now 10-6. 10 points for the Flying Spirits. And we're back. Ronaldo sending the disc to Sahitra. Oh, it's a high throw, but successfully defended by number 26, who's just come on field. KP going to pick up the disc. Ronaldo on mark. Sends it to Karan. Karan sending it ahead to number 99. Karan marking him. Sends it back to KP. And Sahitra grabs that disc. Very safe pair of hands. Very reliable players. Very good chemistry between them. And they're making it work yet again. The score is 11-6 for the Flying Spirits. The Flying Spirits have built up a nice cushion of points, the 5-point lead. But let's see if the Rascals can make something of a comeback. Of course, both sides have quality players. So we have Nikhil here, who's the manager of Flying Spirits. Nikhil, how's the game going for you?
Game is going pretty good. I'm liking it.
You managed to build up a 5-point lead over Rascals. So I think the momentum has shifted, of course, in your favor. So I'm sure it's great for your team spirit, Flying Spirits.
Yes, yes.
And well, Nikhil is a soft-spoken man, so you won't bother him much more. He has his manager duties after all. The score is now 12-6. Saitra calling the line for Rascals. Tuhin giving his team a little talk. Rascals ready. Okay. Number 99 pulls the disc. It's a fine pull. Landing just short of their end zone. Ronaldo picks it up, passes it to Karan. Bro, I don't. Oh, Karan runs deep. Will he be able to get it? Dubey and Karan. Oh, 2-1 doesn't go. And Dubey manages to get that D. Kushi has the disc. Nayantara makes a cut, gets the disc. Atharva hucks it to number 99. Number 99 Manya gives it to Dubey. Dubey sends it to Karan. Karan sends it to Khushi. Khushi looks to send it inside. Karan gets the disc. Sends it to Khushi. She's looking for that end cut by Nayantara, and that works out well. Oh, and that's a turnover. A little bit of a fumble from the Flying Spirits. Ronaldo swings it to Karan. Karan swings it to Manan. And there's a deep cut from Paridhi, but couple of deep cuts. Manan running deep. Ronaldo all the way to the sideline. Sends it to Karan. That's a nice bit of disc movement. That's a nice hug from Karan, but not quite enough. And we have Messi here from the Flying Spirits, who's been playing a great game all along. So Messi, how's it going?
Yeah, it's going good, and we are all prepared. So yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, you do look very prepared. Of course, you've been making a good number of cuts. You've been moving the disc very well, and well, the rewards are clearly showing. It's a 6-point lead over Rascals. You think you can maintain that momentum?
Yeah, of course. We will maintain and we will proceed to finals.
Push it to the finals. Love that energy. Great. Nice talking to you, Messi. Rascals finally score a point after a while. The score is now 12-7. Rascals huddled up. Spirits are ready on the line. Should be getting going soon. Steffi will be pulling the disc, it seems. Spirits waiting on the line, ready for the pull. And here we go. Steffi pulls. It's a nice floaty pull. Both teams running it up. Khushi walking up to get that disc. But it seems like number 58 will be taking it. In cuts. Messi goes deep. Will he be able to get it? Of course. The ever reliable Messi passes it to Tuhin. Little bit of... And Uttara grabs that disc in the end zone. The score is 13-7 for Flying Spirits. And we have a very enthusiastic KP on the sideline. Spirits are flying indeed. On field number 2, we have a match going on between DLRC and Ceiling Slammers. Both sides gathering the breaths while we get ready for the next point. Everyone's getting hungry for lunch, it seems. Soon. Yeah. You'll get your lunch. Yeah. Are standing ready. Vaishnavi goes for the pull. It's a nice pull. All the way till their end zone. With the hands of Karan. A nice 1-2 between Karan and Sahitra. Tight mark from number 5. Steffi gets the disc, gives it back to Sahitra. Oh, Ishwar with a nice grab. Ishwar resets it to Sahitra. Seems like there was a call, but it's all good. In cut from Karan. Very quick player. Karan looking for an in cut. Sends it to Sahitra. Great handler movement between them. Number 12 with the disc. Ishwar goes for a cut. And back with Sahitra. Really holding this team together. Steffi and Ishwar with a good bit of movement between them. And Rascals are right up to the Spirits end zone now. Sahitra with a nice grab. Looking to get this point done with. Karan sends it in and Steffi grabs that. And that's a great point for the Rascals. The score is 13-8. So the game will be to 14. All the players eagerly waiting for lunch. Understandable, of course, given that it's 1:40. But I don't think that affects their intensity at all.
Hello.
And we have Rafa back on commentary. Good to have you with us, Rafa. Saurabh getting ready for the pull. Saurabh pulls the disc. Nice flat pull. Oh, that's a nice forehand flick to Vaishnavi. Right to the end zone. Will they get this? Oh, that was a brilliant point. It didn't last for more than, I guess, a minute or so. And that's game. 14-8 to the Flying Spirits. Good game. Great effort from both sides, but in the end, the Flying Spirits pulled through.
Yes. Huge tragedy. Okay, I'm gonna go say me bye-byes. Hasta la vista.
Rafa always
Another to
entertaining.
my partner here in crime. And storm is coming this way. Look at them. Yes. The game is down now. Now let's interview Manan. Manan, how's the game?
The game was good. I think we played very well in the first half, but unfortunately the game got a little bit got away from us in the second half. Flying Spirits was